Why choosing the right exercise matters?
Starting your fitness journey on the right foot can make all the difference. The right exercises help you progress safely, build confidence, and avoid injuries. Matching your activity to your current fitness level ensures positive results and keeps you motivated to continue making healthy choices.
Assess your current fitness level.
Take a moment to evaluate your starting point. Consider your age, health conditions, past activity, and how active you are now. If you're unsure, try a simple walk or gentle stretching. Listen to your body's signals. And remember, beginning slowly is better than overdoing it and risking setbacks.
Set clear, realistic goals.
Decide what you hope to achieve with exercise. Are you aiming to lose weight, build strength, improve endurance, or just boost your overall health? Clear goals will help you pick activities that align with your priorities, making your workout routine more focused and rewarding.
Pick beginner-friendly activities.
Choose exercises that fit your comfort and ability. Walking, swimming, cycling, and bodyweight movements like squats or wall push-ups are usually safe places to start. Group classes or instructional videos tailored for beginners can also provide helpful guidance and structure.
Listen to your body and progress gradually.
Pay attention to how you feel during and after exercise. Mild soreness is normal, but sharp pain or extreme fatigue are warning signs to slow down. Gradually increase the intensity or duration of your workouts as your fitness improves, always allowing time for rest and recovery.
Consult professionals when in doubt.
If you have medical conditions, injuries, or are unsure where to start, seek professional guidance. A fitness trainer or healthcare provider can recommend safe exercises, address concerns, and tailor a plan that fits your needs. Personalized support can boost both your safety and your confidence.